Today we are going to discuss yet another topic, interesting topic, hiccups. I am sure friends, at least once you have got hiccups. So today we are going to first tell what are hiccups and how they are caused. So hiccups are caused when diaphragm, a sheet-like muscle on the under of your chest, which goes haywire, usually when you eat too much or too quickly or when you get nervous. So hiccup remedies don't work all the time for everyone. So I am going to tell you some common hiccups which work and when your diaphragm gets stuck repeatedly all the time. So the function of the diaphragm is to suck air into the lungs. When the diaphragm goes heavy, there are 4 to 5 remedies to get rid of hiccups. The first remedy is drink cold water immediately and quickly. Second remedy is blow air into a paper bag for 20 seconds. The third remedy is hold air for 10 seconds. And the fourth remedy is tickle your upper roof of your mouth with your tongue. Don't think I got hiccups. Don't think like that. I just was drinking some water to clear my throat. So next time you get hiccups, you know the remedies how to solve them. So please subscribe to my channel. Signing off from Abhay Sridhar.